At Omega High Impact Print Solutions, precision and innovation converge with our remarkable Polar N 176 Plus cutter, renowned for its cutting-edge technology and German engineering. With its advanced automated functions, every cut is flawlessly executed, ensuring the highest quality output for every project. Equipped with high-speed capabilities, the Polar N 176 Plus cutter accelerates production without sacrificing accuracy. This means faster turnaround times for our clients, without compromising on the pristine finish of their print materials. The intuitive interface of the Polar N 176 Plus cutter empowers our operators to set up jobs efficiently, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. No matter the task, this versatile machine handles a wide range of materials with absolute precision. Thanks to the Polar N 176 Plus, Omega High Impact Print Solutions delivers not only print, but perfection. Every project from concept to creation is elevated by the unparalleled precision and efficiency of this cutting-edge machine. Experience what superior technology can do for your print and contact Omega today.